Welcome to L English Lounge, a taster for academic English EAP and student life in the UK by myself, Imran Girach. As you can see right from the get-go that we have a Middle Eastern audience, and that's primarily because of my experience with them. Many students voicing their issues and concerns when when applying and when wanting to study abroad. And that's what basically this page is about, and explains why I decided to create introductory EAP plus transition to UK website or blog. And here's the student section, and basically this video is just to navigate you through, actually nothing beyond that. So as soon as you go into the student section, you have the student quiz, which has basically been synchronized with Canvas virtual learning environment, the VLE, and by clicking here it brings you to my VLE page, which thankfully should work and has been working. So, and here are the various components of EAP. Some have message boards, others have quizzes, not all have both. And you can go into them and see how I've set up certain quizzes. So for example, we've gone into the reference one, and for now we'll preview it. Excuse me. And open the following, and in there I have an attachment, and this is partly why I went onto the VLE, because it's much more friendlier in attaching files of a certain size compared to Weebly, which doesn't allow you to attach bigger files. And here's a question: which elements should be included for the following sources? And let's just click this. I hope, oh yes, excellent. So it's to do with a table, and it's this table here that I've made, and it's referring to those things. So going back to the student quiz, the student section, we have a section on helping yourself assimilate and settle in the UK, and I offer my personal advice and my personal interests rather as well, with an academic spin on it, obviously, but you can have a look at that later stage. And then there is also the useful links. So not only is there the VLE, there are certain links over here, and videos and files and further references, etc., to external sources. And then there is the teachers section, which consists of two parts. Resources mostly on this page, but if we go into the teacher forum, then we can see that a forum, and there's somebody who's already added a remark. That was in June's, but in May's we have one, and this was, oh, where is it? Or is it in June's? Hope it's in one of them. There we go. Another screencast recording of navigating around the VLE, but you can have a look at that at a later stage. And then we move on to the web quest, which is of two parts. First part being what is a web quest, and there's some audio files there by myself, and there is also a web quest, but the web quest button should open up a YouTube link to the founder himself of WebQuest. And then we have your web quest, which is for the students themselves, and keeping into the theme of London, etc. And it carries out, it goes throughout even the VLE, where I've chosen London as my topics because of the infatuation the Arabs have with coming to London and spending in London. And as you can see there, I've got a general tourism clip and a specific one to the audience here. And finally I have the contact screen, and where there's just a form advising to be filled out, etc. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.